Welcome to the Ed Newsstand podcast. This is episode 4 of season 3, and this episode is Battle of the Screen Recording Tools. And this is a 2-minute minisode breaking down the differences between the 3 different recording tools. Let's dive in. Now that we've finished our look and taken a deeper dive into all of the screen recording programs that we can use online, let's look at the specifics between the 3 versions. Loom is free for teachers to upgrade. Unlimited recording time on the free version or the upgraded version. Save online or download your videos. Easy to share. You can create call to action buttons after you've finished recording. You can edit the video and you can provide custom access in your program. Screencastify has different sets that you can upgrade to. So if you want unlimited recording time, that's going to cost you an extra $29. If you want more robust editing features, that's going to be another $29. If you want to create unlimited Flipgrid type assignments, that's going to be another $49. So ultimately, Screencastify is going to cost you $107 for the year. Otherwise, the free version allows you to record for 5 minutes. It auto-saves to Google Drive. You can easily link to Google Classroom, easily create a GIF, record offline, has robust editing features, and you can create individual one-at-a-time Flipgrid type assignments. Screencast-O-Matic is free to use with a recording limit of up to 15 minutes. If you do upgrade, there is the Premier version, which costs you $19.80 for the year, and that gives you unlimited recording. Or you can upgrade to the Deluxe, which is $48 for the year. Easily links to Google Classroom. You can provide call to action through the notes feature in the editing, provide custom access, get video analytics about who's been watching your video, and provide a custom URL in Screencast-O-Matic. So there you go, the 3 big screen recording tools online that teachers can use to provide lessons for their students and link easily to your learning management system. So now that you've seen the video, try them out and decide for yourself what you think is the best. Thank you for tuning in this week. As always, you can find me on Twitter at ReynoldsTroy. Find old episodes of the podcast wherever you listen to podcasts. You can follow me on Instagram at ednewsstand, and you can download my app and stay up to date with my content by scanning the QR code or by going to ednewsstand.glideapps.io and saving the app to your home screen. You can also find all my resources I just mentioned in my newsletter and watch the video I made on my website at ednewsstand.weebly.com. I'm Troy Reynolds. We'll see you next time on the Ed Newsstand Podcast.